Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stripe Radar login problems, account and permission errors step by step clearly. To start resolving your Stripe Radar login problems, ensure you have the correct email address associated with your account. Navigate to the Stripe login page and enter your email and password. If you receive an account or permission error, check for any typos in your email or password. If everything looks correct, click on the Forgot Your Password link for a password reset option. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and try signing in with your new password. If you still encounter issues, check if your account is active. Log in to the main Stripe dashboard. If it's inactive, contact Stripe support for assistance in reactivating your account. If your account is active, ensure that your permissions are correctly set. Navigate to the account settings and review user permissions. Confirm that your account has access to the Radar feature. If you do not see the Radar option, you may need to upgrade your account or add relevant permissions. Log out, then log back in to refresh your session and apply any recent changes. If you still experience difficulties, consider trying a different browser or clearing your browser's cache. Disabling any active browser extensions may also resolve potential conflicts. If none of these steps work, reach out to Stripe's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error message you are encountering. They will guide you through personalized troubleshooting steps to resolve your login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.